Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can use Filmora to write a video script for your YouTube video. So there is a new AI tool in Filmora that lets you create an engaging video script, especially for YouTube, so you don't have to manually go back and forth to ChatGPT or Gemini to create the draft for your video. Now what you need to do to access the tool is you have to open the startup menu. That is the menu that will open every time you launch Filmora. But if you already open a project like I am right now, this is a project, this is no longer a startup menu, you have to go back to file and then click return to startup window. So this is the thing that we have to open first. So after that you have to navigate to toolbox, and by the way, I think it is worth mentioning that sometimes Filmora updating the interface of the startup window, so maybe it's not going to look the same on your Filmora version, but just to try to find a menu that says toolbox or AI tools or something like that. After that, you want to navigate to AI copywriting. This is the tool that we are going to use. Click on it. And here you can select what are you going to write. So in this case, I want to create a YouTube content, so I'm going to select video oral script. By the way, it is worth mentioning that you can also use description, titles, etc. It's up to you on what type of content that you want to generate. And here you can select the topic of the video. So let's try something like the best iPhone to buy in, let's say, 2025. I don't think it's going to be able to answer that because it's not connected to the internet. It's not like traditional ChatGPT that has access to the web, so it will know the latest information. The AI in Filmora, unfortunately, is local, offline. It's not going to be able to know, but if you are okay with that, then you can definitely use this feature. And after that, you can select the language. I'm going to be sticking with English. And there is also advanced options, which in my opinion is useless. It's offering you to, show multiple results of the generations, but it's only giving you one option, which is again kind of useless. It's that this menu doesn't do anything. But anyway, let's click generate and see what's going to happen. Okay, it is generating the draft of the video, and I actually noticed that it doesn't say anything about the model. Instead, it's giving me just a template, and then I have to fill out the product myself, which I think it's okay. After all, this is for a draft. This is not going to be the final script. And when you're done, you can use this. You can copy and paste that to Google Docs or Microsoft Word, and then you can copy that to teleprompter programs. And I think one thing that I like from the AI copywriting tool in Filmora is that you can pin the windows, so you can continue working with Filmora normally. You can edit video, you can record yourself. So it's useful, especially if you are try to streamline everything and create your video using just Filmora. So anyway, that's basically how you can create a video script using AI right in Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.